Alright, take 3. Last video before we clean up for the day. Think we have this wired right. It is a complete mess. We basically took the pin connector and took the voltmeter to each pin. And what we determined is that the hot leg should be running through the ignition first before it goes to anything else. And I have no clue. I can't speak to how the boat was wired before, but apparently they had it wired wrong. So here we go. Go into the on position. Now my voltage comes on. Fuel gauge is disconnected right now. Tires up. And I'm still not happy with the voltage meter. And even revving it up a little bit. Not really getting any charge. Still have some things to figure out. Probably take a look at the alternator. That battery has been suspect too, so who knows.